Just 2. The only thing you need from that is your freaking LinkedIn account, which you've already got set up, and you can get 10 to 12 appointments a week, get 2 tax plans a week. And that's the math right there for his business with him and his business partner to do 80 grand a month. By the way, 84 grand a month is $1 million a year. A business like that, you can get to $1 million a year in sales in 90 days, easily, easily. Now, with somebody that's doing monthly accounting, it takes longer, but you can also lose this business in a day because you got to get new clients every time. These are all one-time sales, right? So that's the first thing of math I'm going to do. The second piece of math I'm going to do is, okay, he could do 10 clients a week, at 5K, which equals 50 grand a week. And then if he does that, that's him and his partner, and then that's 200 grand a month. Now that might sound crazy. It's not crazy. If I look at my numbers right now, this month we'll break 900,000 in sales. Our products are the same price as yours. It's the same damn thing. You can do these numbers. Are there no companies that do $2 million a year in sales? Oh, there's no one's ever done that. A lot of human beings have built a $2 million company. So that's another way to look at the math. And what did we throw fuel on it with? Oh, by the way, both of these right here, how do you get appointments for these? You could do this one just with LinkedIn. And to be honest, it's possible to do this one just with LinkedIn. This would be just the 2 profiles that you guys have. And I think if you did probably 4 to 6 profiles with this, you could do all that with LinkedIn, which means you could do 200,000 a month in sales without spending any money on advertising.
So 4 to 6 profiles is like basically hire salespeople and have set up LinkedIn profiles?
Here's the reality is, if you guys start doing these tax plans, you're going to want people to help you guys deliver them.
Yeah, sure.
I was talking at dinner last night about the guy who's doing 52 IT audits a month.
Yeah.
He's got 130 employees, right? So when you know how to generate revenue, you want to build a team of people that can be the factory.
Yeah.
Right? So you're going to start bringing those people in. You take over their LinkedIn profile. You got a couple of accountants working underneath you that are processing tax plans, meeting with clients, implementing the strategies. Boom.
Mm-hmm. And then they'll know what they're doing anyway. They'll know what they're talking about. They'll be able to sell it too. With a good script.
Well, you eventually, so that's the next piece, is you do eventually want to hire salespeople. But these 2 steps, this is about self-organization and determination. Because right now he's got 18,000 contacts in his LinkedIn account. He's too scared to send an email. That is a mental problem. That's not a marketing problem or, oh, it's so difficult. It's like, just do it. Just do it. Did you send it yesterday?
I didn't. It's not sent, but it's all set up there. They're readjusted.
There's nothing to say other than yes or no.
No, not sent.
See, there's a story. There's always a story.
I have 1,000 contacts and I have not sent a single email.
Why?
My LinkedIn.
Why? Hate money?
I guess.
Dude, it's crazy. It's crazy. People are afraid of success. People are afraid of success. People are afraid of sales. Gosh, I'm going to make you guys call some people today. This is ridiculous. Okay, so that is all with LinkedIn. Third thing is you start spending money on ads. Now, he's already spent money on ads, and it's been working. He's already spent money on Facebook ads. And I bet you if he spends $30,000 a month, $30,000 a month on ads, he could do 300 grand a month in sales. Now that might sound crazy, but that's the way it works. That IT audit company I told you about, they spend about 20 grand a month on ads. Or sorry, actually no, more than that. I think they spend 200 grand a month on ads. They do about $1 million a month in sales from that. People that grow pay for growth. And they either pay for growth with hustle or they pay for growth with money. I do both. So if you've got a company right now that does 200 grand a month plus 300 grand a month, that is 500 grand a month, that's 6 million a year. Right? And then what do you do after that? The fourth thing you do is you really start to jack up the sales team and you even consider getting a call center. Because at the end of the day, what do you got here? You have got thousands of leads, thousands of phone numbers, and you need people calling these people. Following up on the people you already spoke to, reaching out to the people that put in their information but didn't book an appointment, following up with people that said, oh, I'm going to be doing this, but I need to do it in 6 months, every freaking day. That's how people get big. And so this right here was, 2.4 million a year. This right here is 6 million a year. This right here is 10 plus million a year. Do the math. Now the math on this is a little bit different. How many reps do you need to do 10 million a year? You probably need 10 salespeople. 10 to 15 salespeople. You need to be tracking how many people are they calling a day, how many people do they dial a day, how many appointments get set a day, what's the close rate. But here's, you know, this might sound insane, but this is how people do it. This is how people do it.